na talaga maitatanggi ang kapangyarihan ng social media. Marami ng mga buhay ang tuluyang nabago. Katulad na lang minsang nakuna ng litrato at naging instant celebrity pa. Kamusta na nga ba siya? Mga larawang yumanig sa social media noon lamang nakaraang taon. Stolen shots na literal dahil ninakaw daw ang puso ng sambayanan. Instant sikat.
Oh, hi everyone, this is your Ensta Salib, and now I will introduce myself to you. I am Mary Lou Sugabo. You can call me Mary or Lou or any of the following. So, I will answer some of your questions today. So, stay put. Okay, what is interesting about myself? Okay, so basically, I'm not that interesting. But I'm just a normal girl who likes to do things that others do, just like singing or dancing, but not that talented enough. And if you ask me what's my talent, basi naglibog pa si Lord. What's my talent? And personally, I am a shy type, but very talkative when you know me or we are friends. So, what are my hobbies? So, my hobbies are, my hobbies are watching movies, sleeping, and sometimes singing or dancing. And most importantly, volleyball, because that's where I can show my skills and what I've got. So, my personal goal right now is to graduate. And manifesting, sooner or later, I can graduate.